Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find duplicate emails. We have a table person with ID and email, and we need to display those emails that are duplicates. For example, these two lines include the same email address, therefore this email address is a duplicate. In SQL, we write a select statement and we will group by email addresses. If you group by email, you will count how many emails you have in each group. Using a keyword having allows you to filter for those emails that occur more than once. And we know if the email occurs more than once, it is a duplicate. In the select statement, we display email column, but the name of the column should be slightly different. Let's run the query. And we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we will use the duplicated method. We take the data frame person and we use the method duplicated with the subset email. We want to mark all occurrences of a duplicate as true. Therefore, we write keep equals false. We save this into a new dataset called duplicates. What it does is simply you add a flag to each email address indicating whether this email address occurs more than once. So if it occurs more than once, it's already a duplicate. Now we need to drop duplicates. We take this new dataset and for the column email, we just simply use drop duplicates function. And this will be our result dataset. Now we are ready to return the result. We need to rename the column. The original column email should be also email, but with capital letter E. Let's run the code. And we successfully solved this problem in Python Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Grouping and having clause in SQL, or using duplicated method together with drop duplicates function in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.